Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the sheet and locking in essentials, a descriptive file name, the core data sources, and sharing rules. Once created, import CSVs or paste rows into separate tabs so raw data stays intact. Make sure to set editor access only for collaborators who must edit and viewer for others. This prevents accidental changes. You'll also create a backup copy now. That way you can experiment without risking live data. Next, you build structure and automation so the sheet scales. Create separate tabs for raw data, calculations, dashboard, and archive. Consistent headers let formulas run reliably. Once done, add data validation and drop-downs to reduce entry errors, and conditional formatting to flag outliers. Then implement query or filter for dynamic tables, XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP for joins, and array formula to fill columns automatically. Finally, you complete the sheet by assembling a dashboard with charts, slicers, and clear KPIs that communicate results at a glance. Make sure to protect critical ranges and create version checkpoints using file right arrow version history so you can roll back. Document key formulas and data sources in a Notes tab for teammates. If something breaks, first check renamed headers or move tabs, re-establish named ranges or fix references, and then restore the last working version if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.